Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to find recently followed accounts on Instagram. For that, go and open your Instagram app and then head to your profile icon that will be on the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And then what you need to do is tap on this following that will be below your name. You can see three options: post, followers and following. We are not going on followers because we want to see who we followed recently, so we'll tap on this following button. And there you can see all the profile you have followed, and you need to tap on these two arrows that are facing opposite direction, and then we'll see three options: default, date, followed, latest and earliest. And tap on this latest, and there you will see the list you have followed recently, and it will be in chronological order. This is the first one, this is the recent one I followed, and after that I followed this and this. It will be like this. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.